Okay, and so now today though, we're going to concentrate again on creating expressions, but this time to make sure that we're using negative numbers, negative terms to replace our variables or to represent our variables. Okay, so today we're going to continue creating expressions, but this time we're going to use at least one negative number. So for example, I could say in my key that a is equal to -2, and I'm going to come up with maybe b is equal to 10. We've had that before, and I'm going to use c as equal to 3, any of those numbers. Okay, so now my aim for this is to be able to use these negative numbers, so a as -2, to create an expression for Hawkman's strength. Okay, so in the same way that we've created expressions before, I want to know different ways that I could write strength for Hawkman. Okay, now I can see that his strength is close to 90, 88, very close to 90. Okay, and so what's 90 made up of? Now I'm going to really try and use brackets and my indices as well. So 90 would be like 9 by 10, wouldn't it? Now have I a way of writing 9? I could say, well, 9 is 3 squared, isn't it? So that would mean I could have c squared straight away in there. Now what have I got for 10? Well, I know that that's b from my key there earlier. So c squared multiplied by b. Now I love things in order, so I might be saying that's the same as b times c squared, because we know what multiplication, order doesn't matter. So now that gets me to 90. So what do I do? In order to get from 90 to 88, I need to take away 2. And what do I know here? I know a is equal to -2. So how could I just tidy that up a little bit? Well, let's have a look. So here just underneath I'm going to write is equal to, well, I know that's b times c squared. And looking back up at my key, I know that -2, well, that's equal to a. So I've 88 is equal to b squared plus a. So again, I could just rewrite that and again put it into all the order that I like. So I'd have my a first, then I'd have my plus because bc squared is a positive. I'd have my b, and then I have my c squared, and that's it. That's me having created now an expression to represent Hawkman's strength. So for you, as your learning check, I want you to continue on with Hawkman and see, can you create an expression for his agility, his speed, his intellect, but making sure that you use a somewhere in there. Okay? Off you go.